Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by taking immediate action. Create an ECO account and begin a new claim for your work. Enter the work title, year of completion, and list each author with their contribution. This establishes who owns what. Choose the correct form type, TX, PA, SR, VA, because that determines deposit specs. Once done, prepare a clean deposit copy in the required format, and make sure claimant name and contact details match any contracts or registrations you will later upload. Continue by completing detailed sections: authorship, claimant, rights transferred, and publication details. If you have multiple similar works, evaluate group registration rules to save fees. If not eligible, file individually. Upload deposit files that meet format, size, and resolution requirements. Incorrect formats cause delays or refusals. Enter any transfer or contract data accurately because it affects ownership records. Finally, pay the filing fee by card, save the receipt, and note the ECO confirmation number for tracking. Finish by thoroughly reviewing every field, upload, and payment, then submit the application. Record the tracking ID and confirmation. Monitor the ECO dashboard for status updates and email notifications. Processing times vary, but the certificate is issued when approved. If the office flags defects or refuses the claim, act fast. Read the deficiency notice, correct the specific issues, and resubmit or supply requested documentation. Troubleshooting tip: the most common problem is wrong file format or missing claimant info. Fix those first and resubmit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.